You begin a human research project like any other research, with questions and ideas for finding answers. You plan to collect, observe, measure, and analyze data. Maybe you want to observe reaction to a computer game or to a drug. Maybe you need to study medical records or tissue samples. Or maybe you just want to collect a group's private stories. You plan to eventually share what you discover with the broader community. And so you will need people. Sadly, there are examples of when researchers were so focused on their research interests, they overlooked human rights. Even though research is important, even though it might heal people, maybe create jobs, or make the world a better place, the people who participate in research deserve to be treated fairly. So if you are conducting research activities involving live human subjects or their personal information, the law requires you receive basic training on subjects' rights, risks to subjects you might not have considered, and how to protect their rights. Your training will start with an exploration of beneficence, that is, being concerned and acting for the welfare of the participant during any research intervention. MSU wants researchers to be especially careful to protect those who are most vulnerable, those who can't understand the risks, who might be unduly influenced by authority figures or other pressures. You'll also need to have an awareness and appreciation for justice, not overburdening one group who may not ever benefit from the research. You'll learn about informed consent, the need for investing time for explaining procedures, risks, and options to the volunteers in a way that lets them make good decisions for themselves. And you'll learn other important concepts. The Human Research Protection Program will provide assistance and oversight over the life of your human research project, from questions on completing the application to submission and review by IRB administrator or the IRB chair or possibly the full board, and on through approving changes and annual renewals of your application. The Human Research Protection Program only ends its involvement after your project is closed. Throughout the life of the project, the human subjects are the focus. We welcome you as a partner in always keeping the human subject's safety, privacy, self-efficacy, and other rights protected.